Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Lowe's and I almost missed the clearance racks back here. Oh my goodness, you know we can't miss the clearance. So let's see what they have. Let's see if it's really clearance today. Alrighty, right here, Coreopsis here for everything is right here. Okay, so regular price on this Coreopsis is $10.98 for a 2.5 gallon. Tom Thumb, regular $26.98, so it'll be anything over 15 will be half price. Okay. Can't believe I almost missed this Gara here. It'll be $2. Actually, it'll be $4. Okay. Vinca right here. Regular $19.98. That'd be half price. What is this? Something by Proven Winner. Proven Winners. Okay, down here, guys, Lantanas. Regular $16.98. Okay, and they look great. They really look good. Okay, so there'll be 50% off. Hibiscus up here, guys, 1.7 gallon. Regular $16.98, 50% off. Okay. Daylilies down here at the bottom, $7.48. So that would be what? $4. What's this? Okay, cone flowers here. A little dead, but it's still it's alive. Regular $29.98. Dianthus. Oh yes, this is Dianthus. Dianthus here, $10.98. Regular price. Let you guys look at the tag again while we're going through. Okay, Sunshine Ligustrum right here, regular $24.98. That'll be $12.50. This standard, regular $50. The Duet Rose, it would be $25, and it still looks good. Oh my goodness, I love it, guys. Right here, it's Petite Knockout Rose, 1.9 gallon, $26.98. So that'll be what, $13.50. More Lantanas here. It's a Lantana. Coleus is here, regular $7.98. Can't beat it. I'm quoting the regular price, guys. Kong Series Coleus, $7.98. They're on sale, so I hope you all see the video. Hopefully I get the video up before this one. Here at Lowe's, they have moms on sale here, and I put it in that video. Okay, more Knockout Roses here. It's back here. Okay, this ginger bush, $16.98. Ginger plant, rather. More Coleus is down here, regular $7.98. Beautiful. And we have one more rack right behind me. Okay, $19.98 for this giant iris here. So we know that'll be 50% off as well. This is a Lantana. More irises. Lantana. Okay. Now this is kind of dead over here, guys. But what it is, I see a little life on this one. Let's see. This Cooper's Ice Plant, $7.48. We should be able to get these for $1. You know, guys, when they look like this, even though they have this sign here, I would ask the manager back here what's the best they can do on these, and usually they will let you get it for $1 or $2. From my experience, I've gotten a lot of things for $1. Okay, what's this? 2.5 quart perennial. This is a Daylily, regular $7.98. They look good. More coreopsis. Gawa right there. Stone crop here. Regular $7.98. Don't look bad. Okay, shrubs over here. Angelonias right here for $9.98. More Lantanas. Snapdragons down here. Regular $9.98. They look good. More Lantanas. And let's see what this one is. A coreopsis. Yes, love those. Okay, guys, we only had 2 racks today, but I think it looks really good over here. Alrighty, guys, thank you all for stopping in. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share the video with your families and friends. Subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. And watch More Than Lowe's video, guys. Watch Aldi. I know you guys like Aldi. I know you like Sam's, Costco. I have all those videos on my channel. So if you like those type videos, watch them. They're there. It will really help me out, and I really appreciate it with sprinkles on top. This is a fern that I missed. $15.98. So you know that'll be what, $8? Did I see this right here? What is this? Okay, this is a nitty gritty red rose, full sun, regular $54.98. Okay, guys, well, that's gonna be it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.